Can you please show it to us? That's number 9.
Number 9.
Liganes Church.
A pleasant evening to our honorable board of judges, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening again. So, Iloilo is worthy of accolades and praises, and it showcases the beauty of the people. But on the picture, it shows the Liganes Church, and I would like to define it in 2 aspects. First, it's its symbolism. The church is full of cross and symbols that showcases our history, our past, and our faith. Secondly, it is important because it is a vehicle of communication of good ethics and moral standards. So the best way to promote it is to embody the true values of being an Ilongga, and of course pursuing the advocacy, which is protect, preserve, and pass on the culture and the heritage, so that the economy of Iloilo will be strong and will be healthy, that uplifts the livelihood and the sense of pride of every Ilongga. That will be all.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 3.
And you can now rest backstage and then wonderfully